Perhaps, yeah.
I think I was embarrassing with them, wasn't I?
Does that mean you didn't really like the champagne?
No, I did. Too much.
On the silver screen, she's always playing make-believe, and she's got emerald eyes that let me know just what she needs. It's hard to show exactly what she means to me, and I'll give my world. A girl like that don't come for free. Screen, the brightest star I've ever seen. She takes me to a better place. She dances like I can't believe, and it's hard to show that every day feels like a dream. But I'll give my world to keep that girl right next to me.
So that you see the real me. It had nothing to do with you. I like you.
You like me?
Stop it.
We're missing a minute.